Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video, and on today's video I'll be talking about 8 reliable online jobs that you can work from home that doesn't require much from you to get started. So this video is a response from a comment that I got from a previous video. If you haven't checked out that video yet, please do so. So thank you love for requesting this video. I hope you find it helpful, and all the loves that come across this video, I hope you find it helpful. So some of these jobs are jobs that I've worked on before and some that I'm currently working on. So if you want to know, stick up to the last job, which is what I'm currently kind of working on. So I hope you find the video helpful, and yeah, let's get to it. From the beginning of this video, I didn't tell you that it's not going to require you much to get started on this job, but something I want you to have at the back of your mind is that for you to get started and to have a job that you can rely on, you have to provide value to someone, whoever you're working for or whoever you're working with. You have to provide some sort of value to them. So this is where now learning the skill comes in. Now don't get scared, because you don't need to go to school or to pay for any course to learn these skills. These are skills that you can get online for free, and I'll be giving. So the first job I'll be talking about is transcription. So transcription is basically putting in words what you're listening into in an audio. For example, for the video that you're looking at right now, you can see some titles down there which are basically just transcribing what I'm saying in this video. So that's what you'll be doing with audio that you'll be giving their client. You'll be able to transcribe the words that they're saying from that audio into words, and you have to put them in the same timeline. Now I've done transcription before, but I won't lie, it was not my best, so I didn't spend much time on it. I kind of moved on to the next thing to just kind of find something that I'm comfortable doing and that I love doing. So before I go on, I want to remind you that this is a mindset that I want you to have. So you might be lucky that when you learn on transcription, this will be kind of the thing that you love doing. But if this is not it, I want you to keep an open mind whereby you move on to the next thing until you find something that you love doing, because then you'll be able to thrive in that area, which is what I did. And I hope you can learn from this. Okay, so for transcription, when I was doing transcription, I didn't know much about softwares. Like I said, I didn't spend much time on it. But when I was preparing this video, I didn't take time to just like find resources for you guys that you can learn from. And one is a link from Kate Theo's video on transcription. You can find it above there. Click on that and just get to learn how do you transcribe. And I love the video because Kate just gives you a very easy way to transcribe. And I hope you go check out that video, because I wish I knew that, because the software that I was using then were hectic. That way I didn't even spend much time there. So I hope you find that video helpful. Something else is, where do you get these jobs? Because yes, you may learn the skill, but where do you get the jobs? Where do you get jobs that you can rely on, that they will pay you at the end of the job or at the end of the project? So some of the platforms that I've worked on is Upwork, and I can recommend Upwork. And this video is not sponsored by Upwork or any other. It's just me giving you information that I think you'll find it helpful, and just to safeguard you from the mistakes of doing a job and not getting paid, which is so painful. So when you're on Upwork, don't do any communication with the client outside the platform, because any takes you outside the platform in the beginning of the conversation, it's kind of a risk, because you risk doing a job that you'll never be paid for, because where will you follow that through, right? Because with Upwork, they're able to follow through and make sure that you get your payment. So don't take the conversation outside the platform. Just stay on the platform and do the jobs there. And you can see from my account, I've been able to earn quite some amount of money, not much, but I've been able to earn on Upwork. So I'm not just speaking from the blues. This is something that I know, and I've experienced doing jobs from people that they can't be really accountable to you. And I have experienced doing a job and not being paid, which is really, really not something that I would wish on you. So platforms like Upwork, platforms like Fiverr, these are the platforms that you can rely on to get these jobs and also get to earn your good money. Okay, it's data entry. So data entry is whereby you're given a file or whatever form of information, and you're supposed to enter it either in a worksheet or in a form, whichever form the client wants the information to be presented. Then you get to enter that information. And also it can be that you're given a topic to research on, and then the information that you get from the research, then you get to enter that data in a worksheet, or again, whatever form the client wants that information to be presented. So for data entry, you can learn those courses on YouTube for free. You don't need to sweat about that. And once you're competent, that you are learned enough and you want to try out, then go on Upwork and also get to like try these jobs, bid for these jobs. And something good about Upwork is that it gives you free connects every month for you to be able to bid for jobs. So if you don't have money to start buying connects and all that, don't sweat it. Upwork gives you, I think it's 10 connects every month for you to be able to bid for jobs. So if you're lucky to get a job, then boom, you're good to go. Okay, your manager, you basically get to just like manage someone else's social account. For example, a YouTube account, an Instagram account, a TikTok account, Facebook account, Pinterest account, Twitter account, which I have done before. So I want to say, like, if you find yourself like spending so much time on TikTok, then learn as much as you can on TikTok. Like, learn how do people do things on TikTok. Just learn from what you're seeing, because don't complain about spending time there. Actually, turn the time that you'll be spending on social media to something that will benefit you at the end of the day. So once you're done with that, then go to YouTube and learn as much as you can about social media management, which should take you long, because I want to tell you that when you'll be starting these jobs, you won't be 100%. No matter how much information you get on YouTube, on whatever platform that you'll be learning from, I don't want to say that you'll be 100%. You'll learn more and you'll learn to tweak a few things in there in the job. So learn and then move and start finding jobs, because you could spend the whole time learning and no time actually finding the job and actually practicing what you've been learning. So social media management, you can also find these jobs on Upwork, which again I said it's a good platform in terms of being assured of getting your pay, because why are you doing a job if you don't get your money, right? Social media marketing is all about ads, it's all about like emails. So when you're managing someone else's like account, you can be in charge of marketing the account or their product and all that. So you can like manage how ads are doing on their account, how like they're responding to emails, or just like creating an email list and all that. So these are things that you can find on YouTube, or if you wish for me to go like in depth in any of the things that I've been talking on this video, please do let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to respond to that. So something else I want to like just let you in on in terms of social media marketing, I want you to bring in an idea of affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is whereby you get to sell something that you don't own, right? So there is no money from your end that's coming out of your pocket. You're just selling something that's out there to someone else who needs it. So what I used to do for me is, I love shoes and I love clothes. So I would go on an Instagram page and I would just check like the shoes that I've been liking for the longest time, and I'll be like, why can't I sell this to someone who I know would love, right? So what I used to do is I used to take pictures of this of these shoes, of these products that I used to see on people's pages, and then I created my own Instagram account. So remember, I don't own any of the shoes that I'm posting on my page. So what I used to do, I used to visit these stores and just go talk to the people who are kind of managing the stores or the owner of the stores, and they'll just like tell them, I'm a person who is interested in selling these shoes and I'll be selling them on my page, but I'll be getting them from you. So like, how much will you be selling the shoe to me to go sell it to someone else? Because they will discount the shoe for me, and as I'm going to sell the shoe to someone else, then I'm earning some little money there, which helped me cope, and I was grateful for. So affiliate marketing is something else that you can try. You let me know in the comment section if that's something that you're willing to go into. Remember, there is no money that's coming from your pocket. You're just selling something that's out there to someone who needs it. Yeah, so there are article writers, there are blog writers, there are technical writers. There are so many different types of writers. I can't go in details on that in another video, but I'll just be saying that this is whereby you get to maybe like write, if you're writing articles, you write an article, a blog. Technical writing is much more of just doing job, like school jobs for other students who are like abroad. So don't take me to the police. I'm just giving information, okay? So I have done writing before. So you get to do like school work for other people and they do pay you well. So I did spend almost like 2 years doing writing, and when I was done with it, honey, I was done with it. So I don't think I'll be getting back to writing, but it's a job that really did earn me good money. So if there's something that you want to try, I say, why not go into it and try it? So again, check all these jobs from like Fiverr platform, from Upwork, or if you know someone locally who has an account and is like hiring people to just like do these jobs online. Why not? Because I started doing my jobs online, and I got to find or connect with people who had all these accounts who were willing to hire me and do writing for them from home. So you don't have to like rely all the way on Upwork, but I said Upwork will help you be like sure of your payment, because I've worked for people who didn't pay me up to date. So I wouldn't want that experience for you. So yeah, whichever means you find and it's reliable for you to get your pay, I say go ahead and try it. Okay, editor, you get to get the video that I'm making right now, and you edit all the, I want to say all the mistakes or all just the things that are not okay in the video, and then you give the client the final product, which is a seamlessly flowing video. So I personally edit my own videos, and so you can use Velo, you can use CapCut, you can use VN. So I'll be like linking all these on the description below, so you can learn how to edit on YouTube or any other platform that provides you with this information for free. You don't have to pay for any course. So if you need me to like do an editing video on any of these softwares, please do let me in the comments section, and I'll be happy to do this for you. So then, I enjoy graphic designing, and I'm not a graphic designer by profession or by anything. I just got to learn this on YouTube, and then I went to practice it. So what I use basically is I use Snappa, and I also use Canva. So Canva mostly, and Canva is one of, I wanted to say, an app that I use mostly in terms of my content creating, and I hope you find it useful. So if you need again information on this, I don't want to make this video like too long. Again, tell me in the comment section, I'll be happy to go in detail about that. So the last one is virtual assistant. So a virtual assistant is someone who gets to help someone do something virtually. Again, you're working online, so you're already like a virtual assistant to someone. But the difference of a virtual assistant from all these other jobs I've talked about is that a virtual assistant could be doing all those jobs under one bracket. So what's the benefit of that? So the benefit is that you get to be an employee to someone or to a company virtually. So it's just like someone who is spending an 8 to 5 or whatever time, but I want to say you get a better pay depending again on the job, and you also get to work from the comfort of your house. So a virtual assistant, you can also find all these jobs online. So as a virtual assistant, you get to select what do you want to do. So for example, you could choose to just like do data entry, emailing, I don't know, calendar management, all under one bracket, and those are the only things that you'll be offering, or those are the only services that you'll be offering as a virtual assistant to a client. So that is what you get to market yourself out there. So I do hope that you found this video helpful. If that's the case, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel to always get these kind of informational kind of videos, and leave a comment below letting me know of how did you find this video. Was this information helpful to you, and what would you wish for me to go into detail on this video, or what else would you wish for me to like make a video of for you guys. So thank you so much, loves, for all your support. Until my next video, stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye bye.